Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a render job that has failed in DaVinci Resolve. Suppose you've just finished your video and now you want to render it. To do this, we go to the Deliver page. Now click on Add to Render Queue and select your file output location. But here you can see that it says the render job has failed and the fusion composition on the current frame or clip could not be processed successfully. That basically means there's an issue with Fusion. You can also see many other reasons like corrupted clips or transitions, unsupported codecs, and so on. Now I'm going to show you how to bypass this really quickly. First, go up to DaVinci Resolve and open Preferences. Then go to User and make sure you're in the UI Settings tab. Now, look for the option that says Stop Renders when a frame or clip cannot be processed. Uncheck that option and press Save. Now, if your export already failed, make sure you delete the old clip from the render queue so you don't run into any conflicts with duplicate files. I don't have that issue here, so I'll skip this step. Now, I'll go back to the Deliver page, add it back to the render queue, hit Render All, and let's see what happens this time. And boom, it's fixed. There we go. And that's how you can render a video if it shows an error message. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.